Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be solving a medium level lead code array problem where we have to find the subarray with the largest sum in a given integer array. So let's start. Let's start with the problem statement. Given an integer array, we need to find the subarray that has the largest sum and we have to return the sum. Let's look at an example. Suppose our array is -2, 1, -3, 4, -1, 2, 1, -5 and 4. The subarray 4, -1, 2 and 1 has the largest sum, which is 6. So we should return 6 as the result. Okay. So now how do we solve this? We could try calculating the sum of all possible subarrays, but that would be too slow, especially for large amount of numbers. Okay. Instead, we'll be using Kadane's algorithm. This algorithm lets us find the largest sum of a subarray in the linear time or big of n time complexity. So let's talk about how Kadane's algorithm will work. At first, we keep two variables, max sum and current sum. Max sum keeps track of the highest subarray sum we have found so far. Current sum represents the maximum sum of the subarray that ends at the current position in the array. For each element in the array, we decide whether to add the element to our current subarray or start a new one. This is done by taking this particular formula. Current sum is equals to math.max, the maximum number between nums of I and current sum plus nums of I. Then we update max of sum to be the maximum of max sum and current sum. I'll give you this Notion link in the description. You can have the code. And now let's go to the lead code ID. Okay, so we initialize max sum to the first element of the array, so nums of 0, and also the current sum to the first element of the array. Yeah, and this both handles the cases where the array has only one element. Then we iterate over the array starting from index 1, so I is equals to 1 to I to nums dot length, iterate throughout the array, then I plus plus. Okay, now we decide if current sum should continue with the current subarray by adding nums of I or start a new subarray at nums of I. This math.max function helps us to choose the higher value between the nums of I and the current sum plus nums of I. The current sum plus nums of I. Then next we update the max sum. This has to be the maximum of max sum and current sum. So max sum always holds the highest subarray sum we have found so far. So math.max, max sum and current sum. After that we return the max sum value. Return the max sum. That's it. Now let's run the code. And it will pass all the test cases. Sure. And you also submit this. Yeah, so we have done another lead code question from our array series. See you in the next video.